Welcome back to our DuroMax channel. Let's dive in. How to shut down your generator after power returns. When the power comes back on, here's how to safely shut down your generator. Step 1. Turn the main breaker in your interlock or transfer switch off. Step 2. Switch the generator breaker to the off position. Step 3. Turn the key or press the push start button to power down the generator. Finally, let the generator power down completely before disconnecting any adapter cords. If you're using propane or natural gas, shut off the fuel supply and allow the unit to stop running naturally. What to do if your generator runs out of fuel? If your generator runs out of fuel during operation, turn off all connected loads and let the unit cool down before refueling. This prevents damage and ensures safety. After refueling, restart the generator and reconnect your devices one at a time to avoid overloading. For propane units, replace the empty tank with a full one. Make sure all connections are secure before restarting the generator. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and we'll help you out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.